Hey guys, welcome to Snack Attack created by Gelatin. Today we're going to show you how to make your favorite gelatin dessert. Here's the directions. Empty the contents of your favorite gelatin into 1 liter of boiling water. Stir until completely dissolved and then pour into molds and refrigerate for 2 hours. This is what you'll need. You'll need 1 liter, which is 2 500 milliliters bottles of water, 1 pot, and your favorite gelatin dessert. Alright, let's get started. First, you want to boil your water . That's 1 liter, 2 bottles. Wait until it's completely boiled and then add your gelatin. To speed up the process, you may want to close the pot. This video is brought to you by Gelatin. For monthly tournaments, visit us at justin.tv/Gelatin7. Thank you. Reg out.
This video is brought to you by Andy. To watch Andy's multi-gaming website, visit him at justin.tv/and1rex09. Thanks.
Welcome back to Snack Attack from the commercial break. As you can see, our water is now boiling, so we are going to add our favorite gelatin. Mine's green. Now you will have to make sure you dissolve all the gelatin and let it boil up again and before you can remove it. To speed up the process, I am going to close. We will be right back after these messages. This video is brought to you by Gark. To watch Gark's commentary while he plays games, visit Gark at justin.tv/Gark. Thank you. Welcome back to Snack Attack from the commercial break. As you can see, our gelatin is now boiling, and make sure you turn off your oven or your stove before you get ready to put it into your molds. Whoa. Sorry for the mess. This video is brought to you by LazyBoy77. To watch Lazy's multi-gaming website, visit him at justin.tv/lazyboy77. Thanks.
Snack Attack is back.
Hey guys, welcome back from the commercial break. As you can see, all our gelatin has cooled down and we are about to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Just one more. Alright, make sure you leave it there for 2 hours and we'll be right back once it's done. See you later. This video is brought to you by Mango Zero. For weekly friendly Super Smash Bros. Tournaments every Friday, visit Mango at justin.tv/mango0. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to Snack Attack Recipe Mode. Looks like it's been 2 hours and we're about to taste this gelatin. Here we go. Well, looks like it's all ready. Time to try this out. Tastes pretty good. Well, I give this gelatin a 90 out of 100 points. This gelatin was a good recipe for us to try out here in our community. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment. Thank you, and make sure you follow us at justin.tv/regalato7. Reg out.